If you've ever searched online for discount codes, you know how frustrating it can be when most of them simply don't work. So when a platform like couponboomer.com shows up claiming 98% success rates and 100% verified coupon codes for some of the biggest brands out there, it naturally grabs attention and makes people wonder if this could finally be the solution to endless expired codes. But at the same time, it also raises some serious red flags that can't be ignored. On the surface, the promises sound amazing, almost too good to be true. And when we started looking closer, some concerning details started to appear. First, this website is brand new, launched only in June 2025, which means it doesn't have any established history or credibility to back its claims. And when you're dealing with coupon platforms, trust is everything. Second, there is absolutely no contact information provided, no email, no phone number, no social media presence, which makes it very hard to reach out for support if something goes wrong. Third, that bold 98% success rate is just a claim with zero proof to back it up. And in fact, during our checks, many of the codes turned out to be fake or outdated, which is a common issue with shady coupon sites. Another concern is that there are no independent user reviews or discussions about Coupon Boomer anywhere online, which is unusual for a service that claims to provide such a high value to shoppers, so the lack of transparency stands out. While the platform is presented in an attractive way, the overall setup looks more like an educational placeholder, rather than a reliable service for real savings. So is Coupon Boomer legit or a scam? At this stage, the evidence points to it being highly questionable, and users should approach with extreme caution before trusting it with their time or data.